How to enable or disable autoplay motion photos in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the gallery app. Now in gallery, go back to your gallery homepage and then tap on the menu button. After that, tap on settings. Then in gallery settings, we go down to the viewing section and tap on autoplay motion photos. Now tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on autoplay motion photos in gallery. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.